Alright everyone, today we are visiting Kitisuru Estate, which is one of the most affluent neighborhood in Nairobi. It is located about 9.5 kilometers northwest of the central business district of Nairobi, and it is home to some of the wealthiest families in Kenya, as it attracts top government officials, ministers, governors, and African oligarchs. As we explore Kitisuru Estate together, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, A Village to Town, a channel that is dedicated to continue showcasing beautiful villages, towns, and cities across the continent of Africa. I am overwhelmed by the love you've continued showing me, and now we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And so you can just pause the video and show some love by subscribing to the channel, and so we can grow together. Now back to Kitisuru Estate. The estate is geographically located in Nairobi County, Westlands constituency, and in Kitisuru Ward, which is home to other affluent neighborhoods such as Loresho and Kuna. The entire estate covers an area of about 21.3 kilometers squared, and it is home to 64,000 people as of 2019. According to the Kenyan Bureau of Statistics, the area's population has grown tremendously, as there were 1,000 people in 2009. And so the population has literally doubled, a phenomenon that can be attributed to the expansion of the estate, especially around Kirawa Road, which we'll show you later on this video. The estate got its name from a nearby river called Kitisuru River, which is in Kikuyu language, as the Agikuyu people had some of the oldest settlement around the area. Well, 51% of the residents are female, while 49% are male, which is a pretty normal gender distribution. In terms of levels of education, Kitisuru Estate has one of the most educated population in Kenya, as according to a 2015 study, about 71% of the population had a university and postgraduate degrees. The remaining 29% had college diplomas. And so this shows you what kind of a neighborhood it's Kitisuru Estate. Well, in terms of age distribution, only 20% are aged 30 years and below, while 41% are aged 40 years and above. 39% of the residents are aged between 31 and 40 years. Well, this shows you that it's hard to find new money here, as 38% of the residents has been living in Kitisuru for more than 15 years. In terms of real estate and property ownership, well, Kitisuru is one of the most expensive estates in Nairobi. For instance, to get the cheapest house here, you will need about 50 million Kenyan shillings, which is about $500,000. On average, to acquire a 4-bedroom villa, you will need about 135 million Kenyan shillings, which is about $1 million. You can also rent a property, but there are very few apartments in the area. As of 2015, 40% of the residents lived in their own houses, 33% were tenants, while 27% were leasers. According to the same study, 62% of the houses in Kitisuru are mansionette, while the remaining 38% were bungalows. This tells you why buying a house here remains a dream for most Africans. To rent a house here, you will need between 50,000 and 300,000 Kenyan shillings, which is about 500 and 3,000 US dollars. Well, this might not be a pretty much for foreigners, especially those living in the West. It is a lot of money here, considering Kenya is a developing country. To get to the estate, you will need to be driving, or you can board a taxi, since the public service transport vehicles, commonly known as matatu here, are not allowed. In terms of social amenities, Kitisuru is home to some of the best amenities in Kenya. For instance, the International School of Kenya is located here, which mostly attracts foreigners and diplomats. Well, please continue watching the scenic view around the estate until the end of the video, and please keep the conversation going. Tell us, what do you think about the estate? Would you consider living here? And if you are a resident here, you can add a fact or two on the comment section. Well, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible. Smash the notification bell so that every time we post, you'll be among the first few people to be notified. For those reaching out to us, asking how you can offer other forms of support, maybe you have a good camera or other equipment you are not using, you can directly reach to us via our email, which is in the pinned comment below. Thank you.